How to sign up for Home Depot affiliate program. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign up for Home Depot affiliate program. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide it through. But first things first, you can simply head into your browser, right? And you can search in for Home Depot affiliate program, and you can see the very first option here. Now what you can do is you can simply head into homedepot.com as well. So once you do so, you'll be headed to the page where you can simply go ahead and choose the particular affiliate program. So you want to visit one of the sign up buttons under the page and then decide which affiliate program is right for you. Choose it and you can complete an easy sign up or registration process. So unfortunately, I'm unable to show you here at the moment, but this is how you can do it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.